Hello and welcome to MyTradeTV. My name's Michelle Orr, bringing you all the latest news from your sector. A Huntingdon man has won a nationwide competition to have the locks on his house upgraded to make them secure against lock snapping attack, one of the most popular forms of forced entry in the UK. Tom Jackson from Desborough Road, Hertford, is a Neighbourhood and Homes Watch Network member and won a competition that was open to all members of the Home Office and Association of Chief Police Officers Supported Crime Prevention Network. Mr. Jackson said, "As a Neighbourhood Watch member, I am only too aware of the kind of steps that need to be taken to protect your property, and the Avocet hardware ABS locks that I've had fitted will certainly help to do that." Lock snapping as a means of forced entry has come to prevalence in recent years as a result of the rising use of UPVC and other double-glazed doors. Some police forces now estimate that over half of all burglaries in the UK can be blamed on it. Avocet Hardware, which is Neighbourhood and Homes Watch Network's primary sponsor for security products, manufactures the safest snap-secure locks currently available in the UK. The West Yorkshire company's ABS lock has a 3-star rating according to BSI's TS007 standard and boasts Sold Secure's SS312 Diamond accreditation. UAP have been asked many times to develop a budget rim cylinder, but they didn't want to just launch something that was the same as what is already on the market. Instead, they sat back, asked a lot of questions and sampled a lot of product. And now they have what they believe to be one of the best rim cylinders on the market. The TL rim cylinder is a 6-pin patented anti-bump, anti-drill, anti-pick cylinder available in polished brass or polished chrome. And as an added important feature, the TL cylinder can be keyed to any of the UAP and UAP Plus 1-star kite mark cylinders. The TL rim cylinder is one of the latest in the line of UAP super smooth cylinders using the Chris Belcher designed anti-bump timing pin system. They have managed to get all of this into a rim with 6 pins so that they can key alike to the UAP and UAP Plus cylinders, which is a very important requirement. Furthermore, they offer a full master suiting service for those products. The products are then very competitively priced because that is exactly what they expect, because it's a Tradelocks product. Great products, great features and a great price. So how good is the TL rim cylinder? They believe it's the very best value for money, feature packed, and it's a rim off the market. Whether attending a break-in or helping at a lockout, most of your customers would like extra security measures. The obvious key lock upgrade is where most locksmiths stop. Why not offer cost-effective security solutions from RhinoCo technology? We don't only offer CCTV, we have a range of security gadgets to suit most budgets for both home and office. The new mini texting alarm will send a text to up to 3 mobile numbers when the PIR is activated. Products range from just a few pounds up to £75. For more information, please visit RhinoCo.co.uk. MyTradeTV would like to congratulate Tradelocks on their 5th birthday. It certainly doesn't seem like 5 years since one of the industry's biggest leaders and strongest supporters came on the scene. They have gone from strength to strength and are now serving over 1,000 locksmiths in the UK. And as David Jennings said, they don't think they have even started to maximise their potential yet and have a lot more to do. And we at MyTradeTV have no doubt we'll be celebrating many more Tradelock birthdays to come. In 1994, Triben's production plant in Austria was completed and joined the head offices and production facility in Salzburg as major manufacturers of high-quality fittings for windows and doors. Triben is the home of the UK and Ireland's specific casement product, and more specifically, Maco M-Spag telescopic chute bolt espagnolets. Now celebrating its 20th year, Triben has already seen a huge extension in 2000 to the original building and is a testament to Maco's ongoing substantial investment in Europe, with the third manufacturing plant for the UK door lock market being released in 2011 in Austria. European engineering at its finest. To find out more about Maco, please contact them on the details below. Tradelocks have welcomed the arrival of over 120 different lines of Peterson tools in what some have seen as a major and significant shift in Tradelocks' trading strategy. Tradelocks are known for working with locksmiths and developing quality tools at low prices, and also selling online their range of UAP locks and door products at low trade prices, so distributing the Peterson brand is an interesting move. David Jennings explained. Tradelocks is maturing as a business and are now offering more and more products aimed specifically at the locksmith sector. The launch of the Tradelocks budget cylinder and rim cylinders are classic examples of this. When their customers were canvassed about what tools they wanted to see added into the range, high quality picks and extractors, etc. was high on the list. When the market was researched, they found they could not better the quality of the Peterson tools, nor could they better the sheer depth of knowledge of Ken and his team. So the thought process is, why recreate a wheel that does not need recreating? That's all for now. Before we go, MyTradeTV would like to welcome our newest customer, MPL. We'll be hearing a lot more from them over the coming months. Bye for now.